Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina, bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2018 Chevy Traverse LT with 111,000 miles. This is a beautiful one-owner SUV that comes with a clean Carfax report. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. You guys can see this Traverse is definitely in above average condition. It's got a nice dark gray exterior finish. Really no blemishes to speak of, no rust, no corrosion, no major dents, dings, or scratches. You can definitely tell it was well maintained. Came out of Virginia. And lots of great features packed in with the LT package. See some nice chrome details, dual exhaust, backup camera. It's got the roof rack, some really nice wheels and tires. Just definitely a well cared for full-size SUV. Here's a quick view of the inside here on the driver's side. You can see the upholstery looks great, almost like new. No rips or tears. Headliner looks great as well. Nice big center console. Plenty of storage. Nice big touch screen in the middle as well. Dashboard. Looks great, no blemishes. All the standard features that come with the LT package. And some extras as well. Power driver seat. You can see the nice WeatherTech mats. Just really extremely clean inside and out. See the same story for the second row. Very clean, no cigarette burns, no pet hair, no smoky smell whatsoever. You got the AC vents back here in the roof on the second row and third row. Charging ports there in the back. AC controls here separately for the back. Also nice WeatherTech mats. And you can see the third row back here also. Fold this seat down. Nice and clean, plenty of room. Some more charging ports there for the third row as well. Comes with the power lift gate. Nice rubber cargo mat here. Plenty of storage underneath. And then of course this third row will fold down completely flat so that you can get even more room if needed back here in the cargo area. Here's a view of the passenger side. Sorry for the bad lighting or the glare, but hopefully again you can see it's just again exceptionally clean. Got the books there in the glove box. Just really no negatives at all to point out on this vehicle. Let's see under the hood once again, very clean. No rust, no corrosion under the hood. The 3.6 liter V6 runs nice and smooth. Oil's clean. Definitely well maintained. Nice set of wheels and tires on this Traverse as well. Comes standard with the 18-inch alloy wheels, and all four are in great condition. No major curb rash, no blemishes, no corrosion. And then of course you get a nice set of Michelin Defender tires. Each tire is right around 40 to 50% left on the tread, so still plenty of life left and very smooth on the road. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2018 Chevy Traverse LT with 111,000 miles. As we mentioned, this is a one owner with a clean Carfax report and is definitely in above average condition. We encourage you to check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures as well as a link to this video And of course, you can see the rest of the inventory that we have at our dealership. And if you have any questions or want to schedule a test drive, call us anytime at 252-567-3885. Have a great day.